The Baltimore metro region ended May up 0.4% in listings to 5,745 homes in inventory from the prior month of April. This is up 29.9% from inventory last May, and it's still significantly lower than the 5-year May average of 8,010 homes for sale. The median sold price is also up to 341%, or 15.4% from last May. It's Friday, June 18th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland's real estate. The Maryland suburbs saw a 38.9% rise in the number of new listings compared to last May, and the median sold price is up 14.4% from last year to $446,000, selling in an average of 16 days. Southern Maryland saw a 34.1% increase in inventory from last May to 924 units for sale compared to 689 last May. Prices are also up 14.7% to a median $375,000, selling in an average of 12 days. The Eastern Shore new listings increased 41.4% from last May, and prices are also up 17.7% to $317,750, and they're selling in an average of 44 days. The rental market is down to 1,014 active at an average of 2607 per month. 316 rental units came on the market since last week's report, and that's up from the week prior. If you are thinking about buying or selling, be sure to get our free summer edition of the Home Buyer or Home Seller Guide. Find the link below or visit our website at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. That's your quick snapshot of the Maryland Market Minute for Friday, June 18th, 2021. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing. You may also catch our market updates through your favorite podcast service or on your Google or Alexa devices. That's it for now. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Have a great weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.